Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to customize display size in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to customize guys your phone display size, so guys you can customize yourself. In this video guys I am going to show you guys how to customize display size in our Realme phone. In this video I will show you friends. So is now let's see how to customize it. So when first of all open your phone setting, then guys scroll it, and guys you can see this type of setting. Guys click on guys this personalization setting and tap here, and guys click on your display size setting, and guys again scroll, and guys you can see your display size. So as you can see there are three size: default and small size. So as you want to customize, so you can customize yourself into default and guys into small. So we will customize into link guys, we will set into small size and apply here to small. So you can see guys your display size will small. So like that guys, you can customize yourself your phone display size in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video guys, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching guys, bye.